After depreciating around 10% against the dollar in 2022, the rupee was remarkably stable in the first half of 2023. It had appreciated 0.5% till June. What were the main reasons for the rupee's weakness last year? The first was the war in Europe, and the second was the interest rate hikes by central banks in advanced economies like the US Fed. The Reserve Bank of India, or RBI, intensified its intervention in the foreign exchange market in 2022. This intervention resulted in India's foreign exchange reserves falling to $524 billion in October 2022, from an all-time high of $642 billion in September 2021. On the back of healthy foreign fund inflows, the central bank changed the trajectory of reserves in 2023, as reserves went above the $600 billion mark again. The hawkish stance of the US Fed, along with the weakening Chinese currency, the renminbi, is now putting pressure on the rupee again. On August 17, the rupee hit an all-time low after it closed at 83.15 against the dollar. The 83 per dollar mark was breached after 10 months, as the RBI protected such levels. Now that the Indian currency has come under renewed pressure, will the RBI be able to guard the currency?
Reserve Bank of India has been buying dollars when rupee went to 81.70 and have brought their reserves amount to nearly $600 billion, as you would be noting. And I think the amount of dollars with Reserve Bank of India are sufficient for Reserve Bank of India to keep a guard on the rupee. So, though they will surely not allow the currency to weaken in a big way as it happened in 2022, but as you can see from other currencies, that particularly the yuan, which I wanted to elaborate a bit here, that the differential between yuan and US dollar interest rate differential has been going up considerably. And that's the reason why yuan has been weakening in the last few days.
The Indian rupee, which has depreciated 1.1% against the dollar so far in August, is expected to decline further on the back of a strengthening US dollar and a weakening renminbi, according to a Business Standard poll. Most participants said the rupee could test the 83.5 per dollar level. RBI Governor Shaktikanta Das exuded confidence in protecting the rupee when he said, "With $600 billion in reserves, I think we are in a far better place today to deal with any situation." RBI always maintains that the central bank deploys foreign exchange reserves to contain volatility in the currency market.
Yes, RBI is in a better position to support any sharp depreciation or any sharp weakness in the rupee. I think in last 1 year or 2 years, RBI have done a fantastic job in managing the currency very, very well. That is why it was in a range. Even if dollar index or 10-year yield moves higher, we are not expecting rupee to move beyond 83.30 to 83.50 kind of level. And gradually we expect that the pair should move towards 82.50, 82 and 81.50 kind of a level in next 6 months. So the broader range for rupee is 81.5 on the lower side, 83.30, 83.50 on the higher side.
Most of the participants in the BS poll also said the local currency would regain ground against the greenback by the end of the current calendar year, on the expectation that the US Treasury bond yield and the dollar index might have topped out and could start moderating.
If you like this video, share it and subscribe to Business Standard. For more news, views and insights, log on to www.business-standard.com. Do also follow us on YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, Telegram and LinkedIn.
I am the blue of the limitless sky. I am the inspiration that led success so high. I will achieve, I will fly high. I am the I in SBI.
I'm backed by the nation's trusted bank, SBI, the banker to every Indian.